Welcome to the comprehensive guide on understanding Axie Infinity SLP farming. This tutorial will walk you through the process of earning smooth love potions, a crucial in-game resource. To begin, you need to have a basic understanding of the Axie Infinity universe and its gameplay mechanics. First, you need to understand what SLP is and its significance in the game. SLP is a token that can be used to breed new Axies, which are the main characters in the game. The more SLP you have, the more Axies you can breed, which can be sold or used to battle other players. To start SLP farming, you need to have a team of 3 Axies. You can purchase these Axies from the marketplace or breed them using SLP. Once you have your team, you can start battling other players in the game's PvP mode. Winning battles rewards you with SLP, with the amount varying depending on the opponent's strength and your team's performance. The key to successful SLP farming is to have a well-rounded team of Axies with a good balance of health, speed, and attack power. You should also focus on developing a strategy that plays to your team's strengths. This may involve using certain moves and abilities to exploit your opponent's weaknesses. Another important aspect of SLP farming is managing your energy levels. Each Axie has a set amount of energy that is depleted after each battle. You need to make sure you have enough energy to participate in battles and earn SLP. You can recharge your energy levels by waiting for a set period of time or by using items. In addition to battling, you can also earn SLP by completing daily quests and achievements. These quests and achievements reward you with SLP and other in-game resources, which can be used to improve your team and increase your earning potential. To maximize your SLP earnings, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in the game. This includes patch notes, balance changes, and new features that can affect gameplay and SLP farming. You should also join online communities and forums to connect with other players and learn from their experiences. In conclusion, SLP farming is a crucial aspect of the Axie Infinity game that requires a combination of strategy, teamwork, and persistence. By understanding the game mechanics, developing a solid team, and managing your resources, you can earn a significant amount of SLP and improve your overall gaming experience.